Paminsan-minsan naaalala pa rin kita, kahit ngayong mayroong nagmamahal na ngang iba. Tuwing maiisip itong damdamin, nagbabalik, at para bang nariyan ka pa sa aking tabi. Muling nadama ang yakap mo, natitikmang muli ang halik mo. Naririnig, sinusumpang ako ay mahal mo. Paminsan-minsan ang alaala mo'y nagbabalik, at aaminin ko hanggang ngayon ika'y iniibig. Hinihiling ko na kahit nasaan ka man ngayon, isipin mo ko kahit paminsan-minsan lang. Paminsan-minsan tinititigan larawan mo, unti-unting pumapatak ang luha ko. Pinagsisihan lahat ng aking pagkukulang, kaya ikaw nga sa akin ay lumisan. Kahit ngayon mayroon akong iba, kahit sinasabing mahal ko siya, sa puso ko ikaw pa rin ang mahal ko. Paminsan-minsan ang alaala mo'y nagbabalik, at aaminin ko hanggang ngayon ika'y iniibig. Hinihiling ko na kahit nasaan ka man ngayon, isipin mo ko kahit paminsan-minsan lang. Rock the pop! Taki TV, Angel TV. Nine, 2, Rock the boat! And of course, Mami June and Daddy Arnold, thank you! Rock the boat, thank you! Mami June! There's a light, a certain kind of light, never shone on me. I want my life to live with you, to live with you. There's a way. Everybody say to do each and every little thing. Come on! But what does it bring? Ain't got you, ain't got you. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. Started the whole world laughing, but I didn't see that the joke was on me. Yesterday, look at the sky, running my hands over my eyes, and I fell out of my head from the thing that I've said. Smile, an everlasting smile, and smile can bring you near to me. Come on, don't ever let me find you long, that will bring a tear to me. These words has a lot of glory. Let's start a brand new story now. I know right now there'll be no other time, and I can show you how much love. Talk an everlasting words and dedicate this word to me. And I will give you all my life. I'm if you should hold to me. You think that I don't even mean a single word I say. It's only a word and all I have. Take your heart away. Celebrate the most important person in this world. Without them, not a single them, we won't be here. Kaya maraming salamat po aking nanay, inyong mga nanay, mga mami, mga mamisi. Thank you. Kayo na po ang number one sa buhay namin. Kung wala po ating mga ina, wala po tayo dito sa mundo. And I would like to sing this song especially for my mom. because this is the songs that I've recorded. Uso pa yung tape. Yan, nirecord ko to nung nasa palengke kami. And of course, bago ako umalis ng Pilipinas, ito ang kanyang laging pinapatugtog. Ewan ko kung buhay pa yung cassette tape na yun. Nay, buhay pa ba yun? Yan. Ito yung mga unang kong mga tinitirang mga genre. Charot! Yes, because kasama ko ang tatay ko, nag-jamming kami. Yes. Usong-uso pa yung synchro box. Yeah, look yung ano na tayo, pahapyo sa mga nakaraan. May mga kinakanta ko, nasa palengke pa kami, uso-uso pa yung -1. Bibili ka ng cassette, pero isa lang gusto mong kanta doon. And of course, I recorded the cassette tape, lagi niyang pinapatugtog, lalo na sa Saudi ako. Ang problema ng nanay ko, pag pinapatugtog niya, buong palengke nakakarinig. Of course, pag pinapatugtog ng nanay ko, sa palengke, full volume, ako na iiyak. Kaya, yan, naalala ko talaga ito. And of course, yes, nirecord ko to, mga kantang ito, na piniplay niya ito. Yan. Ito kasama niya nung ako ay nasa Middle East pa. Kaya, Nay! Of course, para po sa lahat ng ating nanay, maraming salamat po. Thank you. Be my lady, come to me and take my hand and be my lady. Truly I must let you know that I'm in love with you. All I want is you, how I need you. So please be my lady. Maybe you could listen to me if you just tell me. Say the word you long, the whispers that I want to hear. Something's on your mind, it hidden in your smile. Be my lady. Just forget the past. It's time to mend your broken heart. No wall divides now, so the right appear in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all that I have. Be my lady. Let the sun shine through your heart and make a brand new start. Stay with me tonight and day through the rest of my life. Just like a work of art, my love will last until forever. Just like a work of art, my love will last forever. Nay! Para sa mga nanay, thank you. Round of applause! Woman, I will always love you, and I the west, my love. You mean more than life to me, and I love you more than words can say. You'll be the only one that I love for always, forever to cherish. I want you close to me and hold you and feel you in my arms always. Brother Bob! Thank you, Mama Gina. Thank you, Kapal Vlog, Gina Alvarez. Thank you, Rose from Taiwan. You, Daleen, Agamano. Yes, you are my sunshine. The bed. You are the reason I'm grateful, and there's nothing I want more. I need you. I need to have you in my life. I want you always by my side. Now and for always, whisper these words to me, that we would always be together. Just you and me forever. I want to spend with you, baby, my whole life through. Every moment loving you. Bring back the memories ng baby pa. Sa lahat ng nanay po, Mama, Ma'am Shi, Happy Mother's Day. Round of applause! When times get and your dreams just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can't go on. Let me be strong. Hold on, for my love will keep you warm through the cold. This night, through the rain, through the storm. When friends turn their back on you, and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do, I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see it through. Round the bird, thank you. My when you climb the highest hill. My love will always be with you in everything you do. In every step you make, in every